A friend of the man facing a retrial in a quadruple murder case took the stand today. The first trial of Jose Leon Garcia for the murders of 4 people in Palm Springs in 2019 ended in a deadlocked jury. News Channel 3's Jake Garcia has been there for each day of testimony. He's live tonight outside the courtroom in Indio with the latest on this case. Jake.
And John, the jury today heard from the person that Leon Garcia called on the phone just moments after those murders. He was hiding underneath a truck at the time and asked for a ride home. Meantime, the defense is hoping to show that investigators made mistakes when looking into the person they say is actually responsible for the killings.
Tuesday on the stand in the murder retrial for Jose Leon Garcia, Brenna Lee, his friend from high school and the person he reached out to right after 4 people were murdered. Leon Garcia asked for a ride, sending his location on Desert Way in Palm Springs. Lee testified his voice sounded trembly, out of breath. He said he was hiding under a truck and she could hear sirens in the background. Lee said Leon Garcia didn't mention the murders to her, despite one of the calls lasting nearly 4 minutes. When she got to the scene, the area was swarmed with police. She wasn't able to pick up her friend. Detective Francisco Salgado with Palm Springs Police Department also testified. He interviewed the man the defense says committed the killings, John Olvera, at his North Palm Springs RV. The defense says Instagram messages shown to police that were sent from John Olvera's account appear to show him taking credit for the murders. Salgado said Olvera denied sending those direct messages, though he admitted to similar posts on his Facebook page, claiming they were rap lyrics by NBA YoungBoy. Salgado said he conducted a short search of Olvera's home, but did not find bloody clothes, a gun, or ammo. Asked by the defense why Salgado didn't get a search warrant, he said he didn't have probable cause and, quote, didn't have enough to show that there was any evidence, deeming Olvera the suspect.
And questions arose today in the courtroom about why Leon Garcia's friend didn't give that information to police about the phone calls he made to her until after his cell phone records had been accessed by police. She actually changed her number after finding out about the murders, hoping to avoid any appearance of involvement. We're live tonight in Indio. Jake Garcia, News Channel 3.